It's in the game.
It's the team of the year. It's the team of the year.
And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me as usual is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Arsenal, and they take on Real Madrid.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Must score! And that was goalkeeping right out of the top drawer.
It's absolutely remarkable. His reflexes were brilliant there.
Now, shot happy here. Well, not the end result he had in mind.
Well, we know he can hit them from that sort of range, but that was a poor effort in the end.
Fran Garcia. And ball back with Arsenal now. Jimenez. Can they forge ahead? Well, the keeper is happy. The bar was there. A goal! The opening statement of the match. A richly deserved lead. And now they can celebrate.
Well, just watch this again. He's bright, he's hungry, and he's determined. That's a good finish.
Well, the action underway. Can Real find a response now? No let-up here. Safe pair of hands, did his job. And the danger is averted. Can he put it away? And it's gone in for Arsenal. Will they be stopped from this position?
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So underway once more, 2-0 the lead here. It is a decent-looking attack here. It's there for him. And it goes! A 3-goal cushion. This is astonishing stuff.
Well, as you can see, he didn't mess about here. He just hits it with such power. That's a wonderful finish.
So back with the action, and Arsenal sprinting away with ease. Opportunity it is. Opportunity still there. A goal! And I tell you what, On this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Chance here, Kramaric. Can he convert? There's still danger here. Oh, chance taken. There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, when you see this again, I think the goalkeeper's very unlucky. He makes a good initial save, but the ball comes off of him, rebounds straight to an attacker, and the finish is excellent.
And with that, the first half draws to... The second half commences. It was such a one-sided first half. Might it be different this time round? Jimenez. And he keeps going. And he's in. And in range. Still possibilities. Attacking football at its finest.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Well, it's an out-and-out pasting. 6-0. Well, we're into the final half hour. He's in with a chance. And a goal! There he is at the double. They just can't subdue him.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
Bellingham. Now with Jimenez. Well, it could be on for him here. It has to be, surely. Well, I think he'll be kicking himself. Ruled offside.
Well, his instinct should have told him he was offside there. He has to be more alert in the box.
Bellingham. Valverde. Andre Kramaric. A real opening now. Must be. He's made it a brace for himself. The defender's just unable to stay with him. And he's having a field day.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
Jude Bellingham. Eduardo Camavinga. 10 minutes to go then. Real chance. Still looking for space. Now what can they do from here? And the ball is loose. And a time for cool heads. Oh, good skill, and he's managed to beat his man. The final whistle, and not to be for Real Madrid. They have to accept defeat. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Oh dear, Derek, that was a worrying display. They were completely outplayed in almost every department. The coach has got a lot of work to do before the next game.